Biological factors. What is biological factors? Biological factors are microorganisms, cell cultures, human endoparasites, and components from microorganisms that can cause damage to health in humans. The biological agent may cause a variety of health effects in humans, such as infectious diseases, acute toxic effects, allergies, and even cancer. Just continue watching because in this video, we will tell you about different kinds of biological factors, different health effects, and some preventive measures regarding to this topic. Humans may come in contact with a number of different biological factors through their work, and dependent upon the kind of factor, different kinds of health effects may develop. For example, these farmers are at risk of developing both allergic and non-allergic respiratory diseases due to exposure to biological factors, such as allergens, fungi, and endotoxins. Microorganisms. The example of microorganisms are bacteria, fungi, virus, and parasites. We all know that microorganisms are a normal part of our environment, and most of them pose no threat to our health. However, some may be harmful, depending on the qualities of the organism. It's also unsafe to us if we have open wounds, and if we have not, use preventive measures such as gloves, suits, or respiratory protection. For example, workers in the waste disposal facility can easily come in contact with materials contaminated by body fluids, cut themselves, or be stuck by a needle. This might be exposed to biological factors, resulting in diseases including hepatitis B, hepatitis C, and HIV. Spreading of infectious diseases. Direct contact means person-to-person contact. Droplet spreads containing infectious agents like COVID-19. Indirect contact means airborne transmission. Contaminated objects including needles, syringe, and contaminated blood products, surface and bacteria, foods and drinking water. Animal-to-person contact. Soil, water, and vegetation containing infectious organisms. Bioaerosols. The term bioaerosols is often used about aerosols or particulate matter of microbial, plants, or animal origin. It may consist of different kinds of pathogenic or non-pathogenic live or dead bacteria as well as fungi, viruses, and other microorganisms. The highest risk for occupational infectious diseases due to bioaerosols exposure are farmers, veterinarians, and healthcare workers. Preventive measures. Prevention is the best method to avoid diseases due to biological factors. A risk assessment is important in preventing planning, and we must always put in mind that prevention is better than cure. Respiratory protection. Using the appropriate respiratory protective equipment is important for the securing an adequate protection from biological hazards. Common protective equipment includes surgical mask. It consists of 3 layers of non-woven fabrics. It provides a barrier protection against large respiratory droplets. Surgical mask should be changed daily. Replace the mask immediately if it is damaged or soiled. How to wear a surgical mask. First, put the mask over the face with a metallic strip at the top. Second, put the string behind your ears. Third, gently press the metallic strip over the bridge of the nose. Lastly, the mask should cover from the nose to the chin and fit snugly over the face. Sterilization. Sterilization is the process of using ultra-heat or high pressure to eliminate bacteria. There are many kinds of sterilizing and antiseptic agents, the most common ones being liquid bleach and rubbing alcohol. Hands must be washed thoroughly after taking off any personal protective equipment. Personal hygiene. Washing hands with liquid soap is the simplest and most basic method to avoid infections. Wash hands before and after work. Wash hands immediately before and after wearing protective clothing, uniforms, and gloves to reduce the possibility of infections. Biological factors or hazard can kill. We have to be knowledgeable in preventing and controlling biological hazard to make the work environment a safer and healthier place.